Hello friends, this is Agnes. Welcome to Agnes Paper and Craft. In today's video, I will be showing how I pack one of my orders. It's a greeting card. So it very well goes with any greeting card or whatever type of 3D greeting card that you make. So this is how I usually store my finished cards. I put it along with an envelope inside a transparent sheet. A transparent cellophane sleeve, so that the card will be safe and secure without any dust getting in. And when I get an order, I just take them out and then I use a butter paper like sleeve. Actually, I used to use the same cellophane cover earlier, but nowadays I have just changed it so that it is eco-friendly. I always try to add my brand in my packaging, like the greeting card having the seal of my brand name, Agnes Paper and Craft. It is a seal that I use in every of my card. And then here I'm using a sticker that shows my logo. So in this way I can make my customers remember me the next time when they want to buy from me. Packing this order took only about some 5 minutes, but it is one of the fun part in doing my quilling. I love it doing so much. It gives so much happiness. If you're interested in watching my another video on how to pack quill greeting cards, I will leave its link in the description below. So now I will be putting my greeting card inside a bubble wrap envelope. To make it even more stronger, I will be using 2 hard boards. It is from a mounting board that is an old one which had some paintings. It's my own project, but it doesn't came out well, so instead of throwing it away, I am just going to use it to pack my greeting card. So here I am using one side of it, which is perfect, and writing a thank you note for the customer. When I use so much of a recycled part, I also include a note that this is a recycled package. This is a way to convey my packing ethics to my buyers. Then I sandwich my card between these mounting board pieces and then slide it into the bubble wrap envelope. And then writing the address, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Do let me know how you pack your quill greeting cards in the comments. Thanks for watching.